Hey everybody, it's Gregory Martire. I'm excited to show you our newest listing here in King of Prussia. Let's check it out. We got commercial space coming out the wazoo for you. We got it for sale for $1.1 million. Also willing to lease it for $8,600 a month, clean. All right, let's check it out. All right, so I'll get out of the camera space here in a little bit, but this place is absolutely no expense has been spared. You've got count them, 9 massive rooms. You've got this beautiful conference area here for communal working or communal not working, acting like you're working. You've got conference rooms on each side. You've got full bathroom with a shower, also 2 bathrooms, men's and women's, or however you identify, just wash your hands. Then coming through, multiple entrances, one right behind me as we came in, 2, a little lobby area, waiting room, and a 3rd entrance back here with access on 2 sides for, check out this outdoor space. Private working areas here. Who says it's gotta be all work? You got some fun. And check out this outdoor space. All right, so we got this great outdoor space. If you wanna have lunch outside, if it's a nice day out, got some picnic tables here. This is just one of 3 entrances. Here you've got a large area for plenty of staff, private offices if you're taking that conference call. Got room for fun, community desk, little break room here if you will. It's wired for sound, wired for Wi-Fi, of course. We've got multiple conference areas, bullpens, massive, excellent communal space. Awesome lobby area with its own private entrance, conference rooms, smaller meeting rooms, if you will. Full bathroom with a shower, full kitchen, private baths, 2 of them, men's, women's, or however you identify, just wash your hands.